Hello, hello, all my yarny friends. Today is Wednesday and it is Battle of the Stitches week 2. So if you are new to my channel and you do not know about Battle of the Stitches, in the description box, I have a list of each week and what we do each week with Battle of the Stitches. If you are a content creator and you would like to be a part of Battle of the Stitches and battle it out with me and Heather from Strings and Threads, we would love to have you be a part of Battle of the Stitches. You can email me. My email address is in the description box, and I will be glad to fill you in on what you need to do for Battle of the Stitches as a content creator. If you are not a content creator, we also have a Facebook page that's called Battle of the Stitches, and you can watch our videos and see how to make the stitch. And that's on week 1. We show you how to make the stitch for that month. You can take that stitch and make something, and then post a picture to our Facebook page of your completed project. And what's really great about that, we get to see your beautiful work, but also every at the end of every 4 months, we take Heather takes the names of everyone who has submitted a picture, and we draw one person to win a prize. So if you're not a content creator, make sure to post your picture on our Facebook page so you can get entered for that contest. um so this week, or this month, sorry, we are making, and where did I put my book? Here it is. We are doing stitch number 14. This is the book we're working out of. It's the Step-by-Step Guide to 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracy Toddhunter. This book is available on Amazon, Thrift Books, wherever you get your crochet books. And it can also be as a downloadable to a Kindle. So we are working through each stitch each month. And this month for March, we're working on the wide double crochet, stitch number 14. And this is week 2. So on week 1, you can go back to I have a playlist that's called Battle of the Stitches, and you can go to that playlist and you can see my video from last Wednesday where I did a tutorial on the wide double crochet and showed you how to create that. So this is week 2, and on week 2 we do a sneak peek of what we're making. As a content creator, you take the stitch and you make something that is unique to you. It's not another pattern that's been put out there. You are creating something brand new that's your own personal pattern from this stitch. So the second week we show you a sneak peek, and then you guys guess in the comments what you think I am making with this stitch. So here's the sneak peek. This is what I've gotten so far. And so you guys can let me know what you think I'm making. Well, let me get you, I'm showing you the wrong side. Let me show you the right side. Here it is. It's pretty long. Da, 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 da. So, what do you think I am making with the wide double crochet? I had this cake of yarn. It's the Cotton Ripple Cakes, and Karen Cotton Ripple Cake. And it's in the color of Mauve Glow. It is a 3-weight light yarn, 8.5 ounces, 240 grams, 491 yards, 449 meters. And I just thought, with spring coming, these colors in here just scream springtime. It has some pinks, yellows, different shades of maybe like a light lavender kind of color, but I think this just screams Easter, spring. Could be Easter too, but it just screams spring to me. So once again, here's what I'm making. Here's what I have so far. Good luck. See if you can tell me what you think I'm making with this wide double crochet. All right, guys, that is my video for today for Battle of the Stitches. Let me know in the comments. Let's see who can guess. And I will see you in the next video. Tomorrow is Thursday, and I'll be highlighting another book from my library in honor of National Crochet Month. So come back after you watch this. Come back on Thursday and see what book I'm highlighting. Have a great day, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.